Anyone here want some food? Food? Oh, there you are. Hello. Hello there.
You went through a little panic attack?
Oh, still biting me. Hey, hey. I thought we went over this already. Nope.
This is awesome, huh?
It's still biting
What do
me.
you think? I think that's my favorite place. Nice. I'll take it off.
I am not food. I don't think it's gonna come off.
The colors we have, the yellows, the greens.
Okay, this one just wants to keep biting my thumb. Hey. Hey. Look at me. Look at me. Hey. Hey.
Come over here. Come over here. Look, upstairs. Show it to them. Here you go. A green one. Wow.
Okay. Yeah.
You gotta hold it over the rock, okay?
Hey.
A green one too.
Hey.
Yeah.
Ow. Hey. You stop biting? You stop biting? Hey. Get off, please.
Show it to him. Show it to him.
No biting. Okay, you got it?
There we go.
This one's been biting me for like 5 minutes now. Nope. Down. Down. Step down. Do you step down?
I got a bird over there for
Step down.
so I can get another.
Oh.
Come over here, baby. Come over here so I can get a bird over here for you.
Hey, step down. Step down. Step. Step. Step down.
He's gonna come to you. Hold your hands straight.
Step.
There you go.
Can you step down? Step. Step down.
Really, Dean? You stole my thunder.
What? Do you just want to be my friend?
So darn cute. Way too cute.
Okay, I need you to step down, okay? Step down. Come on. There we go. Do you not bite me?
Hey, Lucy, look at me.
I think it just wants to bite me. Hey, you stop? Let go. I have never seen a bird so interested in a human. Can you help me, please? Hey.
Someone got mad.
Hey!
What, they're fighting.
They're fighting over my hand.
Oh, you got a birdie. Wait, hold it.
Okay. I guess they're going to, fight over works to... I think it just wants to clean off my hand.
Nobody wants to stay.
Stay.
Yes, they can sit you. Come on, baby.
You want some more? Okay.
You want to stay? I'm just giving it to you. Come on over.
Okay. Okay. Ow. Now I have 2 birds fighting.
All right, wrap it up here there, friend.
I don't think they want me to go away. They're kind of...
Okay, do not let them eat your fingers.
Can you get off? Hey, get off. Hey, get off. Hey. Hey. Okay.
Whoa. Oh, look at that guy. He's like the bird kingdom.
Ahaha.
Bird whisperer.
What are they doing? Okay, time for everybody to get off. Okay?
Everybody get off and they all just flew.
No.
What?
What?
Somebody likes you.
What?
Wow.
They're all biting me. No, off. What? Okay, we're in the last 10 seconds of recording time.
That's all there is to it.
Okay, you're not gonna bite.
2,
Yeah, 1. Hey, 1. Hey.
okay,